Greetings, dear brothers and sisters. If you're dreaming of pursuing your education in the enchanting realms of Italy, then this video is your golden ticket. It offers an in-depth overview of the University of Turin Scholarships for 2024, along with a detailed guide on navigating the application process. In this video we'll start with a detailed overview of the scholarship summary, followed by an examination of the scholarship coverage to understand the financial support available. I'll then explore the diverse programs offered by the university and outline the eligibility criteria you need to meet to qualify for these scholarships. Additionally, we'll discuss the selection criteria used in the application process and highlight the documents required for a successful submission. You'll also receive a step-by-step guide on how to apply, ensuring you navigate the application process with ease. Finally, I've provided an online apply video guide specifically tailored to assist students facing challenges with the online application system. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future updates, and if you find the content helpful, a thumbs up would mean a lot. Feel free to drop any questions you have in the comment section below. Scholarship overview. The University of Turin Scholarships for 2024 in Italy are available to international students seeking postgraduate degrees. These scholarships encompass tuition fees and provide a range of advantages, aiming to make education attainable for students worldwide. No IELTS and application fees. Students can apply without the burden of application fees or the requirement for the IELTS test. Wide range of subjects. The University of Turin provides scholarships across a wide spectrum of subjects, encompassing arts and humanities, economics, law, medicine, science, and numerous other fields. Global recognition. Ranked 364th in the 2024 QS World Ranking, University of Turin stands among the top institutions globally. Scholarship summary. The University of Turin offers fully funded scholarships at the postgraduate level, catering to students from all nationalities. The opportunity to study in Italy, a country rich in culture and academic heritage, awaits successful applicants. The deadline for applications is April 15, 2024. Scholarship coverage. University of Turin Scholarships 2024 in Italy will provide the recipient with the following benefits. €7,000 value per year. Each scholarship carries an annual value of €7,000, covering all beneficiary fees. Academic merit grant. The provision of a €7,000 grant for the second year is subject to meeting specific academic merit criteria. Full tuition fee coverage. The scholarship offers extensive coverage of tuition fees. Living allowance. Beneficiaries are granted a stipend to assist with daily expenses. Healthcare benefits. Comprehensive healthcare coverage is provided throughout the duration of the scholarship. Travel assistance. An allowance for airfare is allocated to aid in essential travel arrangements. Programs offered. The University of Turin offers scholarships for international students pursuing various postgraduate programs in 2024. Programs cover a wide range of fields including agriculture, chemistry, economics, law, medicine, and more. Eligibility criteria. To be eligible for the University of Turin Scholarships 2024 in Italy, applicants must adhere to the following criteria. Applicants must be 29 years old or younger. Applicants must not possess Italian citizenship. Applicants must hold valid certification for admission to a postgraduate degree program in an international education system. Furthermore, specific scholarships are available for students with citizenship from Mexico and Japan, with 10 scholarships allocated to each nationality. Additionally, 10 scholarships are designated for students from specific nationalities, including Algeria, Cameroon, Gabon, Mali, Morocco, Rwanda, Senegal, Tunisia, and the Republic of Congo. Moreover, 20 scholarships are open to foreign students from other nationalities not mentioned above. Selection criteria. Evaluation of applications for the University of Turin Scholarships relies on the GRE General Exam. The exam must have been completed within 5 years preceding the scholarship deadline and attained the following minimum scores. Verbal reasoning. Achieve a minimum score of 140 out of 170. Quantitative reasoning. Attain a minimum score of 140 out of 170. Analytical writing. Score at least 3.5 out of 6. Documents required. To apply for University of Turin Scholarships 2024 in Italy, international students are required to submit the following documents during online apply. Transcript of bachelor's degree. A transcript of a completed bachelor's degree is necessary for admission. Valid passport. International students must possess a valid passport for enrollment. Application documentation. Submit a concise and well-crafted resume or curriculum vitae, CV. Statement of purpose, SOP. Include a compelling statement outlining your objectives and motivations. Research proposal. Prepare a research proposal for master's programs. Recommendation letters. Provide 2 recommendation letters from credible sources. English proficiency certificate. Furnish an English proficiency certificate from the previous educational institution. Chinese or English language course. Proficiency in either Chinese or English language courses is mandatory. How to apply. Digital registration. Applicants are required to register online for the University of Turin Scholarships. Read instructions. Prior to registration, carefully read all provided directions and requirements for documentation. Upload documentation. Prepare and upload all necessary documentation as outlined in the instructions during the online application process. Complete application. Fill out the application form accurately and thoroughly. Submission. Once all documentation is uploaded and the application form is complete, submit the application online. Confirmation. Upon successful submission, applicants will receive a confirmation of their application. Follow-up. Applicants should monitor their email for any further communication or updates regarding their application status. For more information, please visit official website, and if you wish to apply, just click on Apply Now button. Online Apply Video Guide. For students encountering difficulties with the online application process, I've provided an instructional video. You can easily access the tutorial video by clicking on the link provided in the video description or comment section. Once you're on the Scholarship Guidebook website, simply scroll down to find the tutorial video located at the bottom. That concludes today's content. Please show your support by liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and leaving comments with any questions you may have. Thank you, and much love to all.